Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you guys how to get into Schoology from your Clever page. So on your Clever page, you will have a button that is a big S. And you click the big S, and your Schoology is going to look a little bit different than mine because I've got some other things on it, but overall it's about the same. The layout is the same. So when you get to your Schoology, you're going to see at the top, it's going to say courses, groups, and resources. You are going to click courses. And what I have done is I have created a distance learning course. That is what you are going to click on. After you click distance learning course, you are going to see the different materials that you are going to have available to you. So for right now, there is only one thing on there. So each week I will let you know if I put anything on there, and I will reference that in our Zoom meetings. But so for this week, there's only one discussion post, and you can see it's about Bruno's new home, which is a story that was in your packet. It says, what do you think the central message or theme the author is trying to teach you in Bruno's new home? And then it says, if you click it, it gives you a little bit more. Please answer in a complete sentence with capital letters and punctuation. You should respond to two classmates. If you agree with the theme they choose, explain why. If you disagree, explain why. So if you click the box that says write a comment, you can explain what your answer is. So if you think the theme is friendship, you would write, I think that the theme is friendship. I think this because, and then you're going to fill in why. So notice a couple of things here. I'm writing in complete sentences. I'm not texting my friends. I'm not writing in shorthand. I'm not writing BRB, LOL, any of that. This is formal writing, and you guys need to treat it that way. So I have a capital letter at the beginning. I have a period at the end. I've got a capital letter in my next sentences. I have complete sentences. Okay, we're still doing race responses, meaning restating the question, answering the question, and then citing some text evidence. So if I'm going to say, I think this because, I'm going to give specific evidence from the text. After I do that, you're going to post it, okay, by clicking this little post button. And I'm going to post mine even though it's not incomplete, or even though it is incomplete. So when I have the second part up there that says you should respond to two classmates, what that means is you are going to reply, not just like somebody's post. That's not responding, okay? You're going to reply. When you click reply, another box pops down and you can say whether you agree or disagree. So again, complete sentences. I agree with you because, and then explain why you agree or why you disagree. And this is just like what we did in class. You can constructively, meaning nicely, disagree with someone. You don't always have to agree with them, but you're not going to be mean and say you disagree because you don't know what you're talking about or you didn't read it correctly. You would say, I disagree with you because maybe you misunderstood parts of the text, or I don't agree with you because in the text, A, B, and C happened. You don't all have to agree, but if you're going to disagree, just to remember, do it respectfully and politely. And then again, you would post your reply. So notice how when I hover over, I'm going to post that so it goes away. When I hover over what I posted, and this is only going to show up on what you posted, not on somebody else's. You can't fix anybody else's. You can't edit anyone else's. So notice when I hover over my name in the box that I wrote in, on the right-hand side, there are three little dots. If you click those little dots, you can edit or delete what you wrote. Okay, so if you look at yours and you say, oh man, I forgot to put a period at the end, I forgot to use capital letters, or you want to change your mind, you can edit it or you can delete it. And you just click and it deletes it for you. Okay, again, edit, delete. Now again, those three dots are only going to come up under what you posted, not under what somebody else posted. So this is a way for you guys to talk to one another, just like if you were having a discussion in class, okay? And have fun with it. Talk to one another, talk with your classmates. Remember, have those constructive conversations that are nice and polite and you're using the correct grammar, capital letters, punctuation, all of that good stuff. Okay, have fun.